What up, though? It's your boy Famous Gucci, out here chilling at Bob Evans. My auntie, cousin, my old dude, Big Neff, K Walker.
I don't know this your first time.
You know what I'm saying? It's my first time at Bob Evans, never been here, so I'm gonna see how it is. Check the menu out right now. I don't know if I'm gonna need breakfast or dinner, you feel me? This is a breakfast place and eating dinner, Trying to see what's good, though. You on a good Monday?
There you go, that's my turn. Yeah, it's also my first time. It's your boy Big Neff. I told you I'm gonna take y'all on a daily basis just about my life. You know what I'm saying? The good and the bad times. You know what I'm saying? Right now it's a good time out here with my oldest son, my auntie, my little cousin. Look at my little cousin. Look at the jaws on that sucker.
Yeah. You about to rap too?
Oh yeah, that was some fat little jaws on that sucker, man.
Look, but he ain't even paying attention to us. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully he showed one of them little links in his jaw or something. But yesterday we did Buffalo Wild Wings. Today we doing Bob Evans because my oldest son wasn't there to hang out with us. But I just ordered me 2 meals because look at me, I'm a big guy. But I just want to try some of this, some of that. You understand? But we're gonna pause back and I'll catch up with y'all later before we leave. When I have to cash out, you understand? But
B-Side Boys for life,
I posted on Facebook.
ENT. You already know what it is.
Cut.
B-Side Boys, alright. We out.